Hi, you guys, this is Janet Rose, and today I have come up with a very crazy ass video idea in which I am planning to chop off some length on my hair. Not just some length, I'm gonna go up till here like a long bob because right now, quarantine period is going on, and my hair is just looking very like the color is almost off, and it's just a crime scene. So I thought, like, to give me a fresh look, and anyways this is the best time I can do it, and it's either going to go very good or like very bad. I added in two pictures to just show you all how the color had worn off and how there was a lot of discoloration. My ends had literally died on me, so I kind of made my mind up and just went for it. I combed my hair out, put it into two sections. I did not wet or damp my hair because I have wavy to curly hair, so I wanted to make sure that I landed on the exact length I wanted. It was a very scary thought because I had never cut my own hair or anyone else for that matter. But I just made my mind up. I just wanted to get rid of the highlights. My hands were literally shivering when I was trying to cut it. But I went really slow. Also, the scissors did not help very much. I should have just used a trimmer now that I think about it, because scissors were taking too long to cut and my hands were paining so much. I was comparing both my ends at all time because I did not want to mess it up. If I messed it up, I could not even go and get it rectified. My ends looked very damaged and I was really happy to get rid of it. Once you cut your hair, you know that you've already jumped in, so you just go ahead with it. I was already feeling very empowered, and my hair was looking pretty healthy just by getting rid of the blonde ends. My hands were paining by the end of the video because it was just taking too long, but it was definitely worth the effort. I was comparing both my ends at all times just to make sure at what length I wanted, and once I washed my hair, at what length it would have bounced back. One thing that I know for sure is that I am not very good at cutting my own hair. I was being so cautious and still I made so many mistakes, and this was just one of them. It was so funny. This just made me realize that I don't know what the hell I was doing. But I just decided that that length was fine, and then just put my hair back in a pony and took out all the pointy ends. I should have just asked someone to help me, but I was not that scared because I have wavy to curly hair, so it was not going to look so evident. The main reason was to get rid of the blonde ends because it was looking very damaged. So, are you guys ready to see how it turned out? Drum rolls, please. And that's how it looked. I was pretty happy with the haircut, but again, I still had blonde ends and I was not going to let them be. So I thought about getting it even too. I used a Garnier's product and I used a burgundy shade because I did not want to use brown or black. I already had blonde ends, so I did not know how it would have turned out. So I just put it towards the ends which were already very light and were bleached. I knew that this color just catches on to the light shaded hair, so that was the reason I used Garnier's product. I did not want highlights. I just wanted to get it even. So that's why I made sure that I just put it towards the end and towards the end which was bleached. It was pretty messy, but I had to do it, so I just went ahead with it because I already went through so much trouble to get rid of the bleached hair. So I didn't want to bleach it anymore. I just wanted to get it even, and that I did. I'm definitely not putting it in a proper way. I'm just going ahead with it, and wherever I can see the light hair is where I'm putting it. I had to keep it on for over 20 to 30 minutes, and then I put in a color protecting conditioner so that my hair, the color stayed. And I had to keep it for 5 minutes, and I drank chai and enjoyed. And that is how my hair looked after I washed it that day. It looked nice, and it was looking a little frizzy, so I just went in with some hair serum and put it in because I wanted my hair to look nice and glossy. My hair is not jet black, so that was one of the reasons that I didn't use black or brown shade. You can already see that my hair is still wet, but I could already see that the blonde ends were gone and they all looked the same shade. So I was pretty happy with that, and that was what I was looking for too. So once I had done that, and this is how it looked the next morning, and I was pretty happy. Although it still has a little color towards the end, but it's fine because it's only under the sun, and this was exactly what I was looking for. I did not want the blonde ends. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead, tell me what you think about my hair transformation in the comments below.